Bonjour or bienvenue. Learn French with AT Khoj. AT Khoj? C'est moi. So today we are going to learn the weekdays in French. Okay, so are you ready? Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Ah, was it very fast? Yeah, actually, why did I speak it? Why did I speak it so fast? So that it will motivate you somewhere that end of this session. I wish you all will be speaking it like this. So I'm going to repeat it once again. Listen it carefully. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, and yes, I know that you are also willing to speak like this, but somewhere you have to start, and towards to speak like this you have to put your first step and you have to repeat it after me. Repeat it après moi. Okay, so here we go. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. So, did you get the sound? Try. Okay. So, repeat it once again. Okay. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Ah, bravo. Okay, now you repeat this on your own. Here we go. Ah, it's difficult. Okay, what I'm going to do it. First, I'm going to present it in French. You have to read it, recognize it, and after that, I'll give you this task to speak, to recognize English to French. Okay, so here we go. Find these. Did you? Okay. Once again. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, so here you have learned the weekdays. Now let's play a game. Okay, what I'm going to do is, the day I'm going to speak, you are to speak just a next day of that day. Are you ready? Mardi, mercredi, good. Samedi, good. Dimanche, vendredi, good. Samedi, good. Lundi, mardi. Now, why don't you tell you your favorite day? How we would say my favorite day. My is mon, day is jour. Favorite is préféré. Préféré. Okay, is a. Okay, so mon jour préféré est le samedi. Try to speak it. Suppose your favorite day is Monday. So, how you would say? Mon jour préféré est lundi. Suppose your favorite day is Wednesday. Then, mon jour préféré est mercredi. I hope that you have learned all these weekdays in French. Okay, now I'm going to display some weekdays. Okay, I'm going to display the weekdays and you have to recognize which weekday is missing. Okay, here we go. Samedi, great. Next. Okay, Wondadi, good, bravo. Now, in this list, Dimanche, Sunday, okay, and the last. Okay, Mahdi. And now at the end, I would say just take pen or paper, write it down to make it clear, more clear in reading, writing, and try to speak. And try to speak like Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi. Jeudi, vendredi, samedi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche, dimanche, dimanche. And speak it together. Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Try it. Lundi, Mardi, Mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Pair it. Okay. Make a group and try to speak and keep practicing till you won't get perfection. So keep practicing. Thank you. Merci. Au revoir.